हिंदुस्तानी वज़ीर ख़ारजा एस जयशंकर ने अमेरिका में स्टेट सेक्रेटरी एंटनी ब्लिंकन के साथ एक मुश्तरका प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में अमेरिका और हिंदुस्तान के बाहमी रिश्तों को मौजूदा आलमी सूरत हाल के पस मंज़र में मजबूत करार दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि बैनुल-अक़वामी दहशतगर्दी से निपटने के लिए अमेरिका की तरफ से मिलने वाले मजबूत ताउन की हिंदुस्तान तारीफ करता है।
We engage each other across pretty much every domain, and the quality of our cooperation, as indeed of our conversations, have steadily improved. In today's meeting, we discussed our political coordination, working together in plurilateral and multilateral formats, and exchanging assessments and collaborating on important regional issues and global challenges. I would specifically mention the Ukraine conflict and the Indo-Pacific situation in that regard. I shared with Secretary Blinken my experience of interactions during the UN General Assembly about the deep anxieties in the global south on fuel, on food, on fertilizers. The increasing salience of green growth, digital development, and affordable health is today very, very evident. We must not let current developments jeopardize Agenda 2030 on SDGs or to deflect us from climate action and climate justice commitments. Our cooperation in different bilateral domains is progressing vigorously.